Whoa, hold up guys. That's not how you do the Tim Tam Slam. What's up fam, it's Andy from Hangry by Nature, and today we're gonna show you 5 snacks that we love in Australia. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and we're gonna show you how to really do the Tim Tam Slam. Now first you need to get yourself a hot drink. So you can do this in a few ways. You can do it with a hot Milo or a hot chocolate drink. We sometimes do it with tea, and we've even heard from some of our followers on TikTok, they do it with coffee as well. So a few mixed ways you can do it. Now, you need to grab a Tim Tam. Now there's 2 ways that we know you can do this. We love to just bite it completely at the top and at the bottom, but other people say you can do it from the corners, on the opposite corners, and it's just as effective. But for me, I like it on both ends completely. Oh, that's so good. Once you get both ends clear, get your drink of choice and suck it through the Tim Tam. That melted chocolate goodness, so good. I love it.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. This one was with Milo. Oh man, that's like a double choc overload. It's so good.
Big shout out to a girl 123 who suggested we try it with Milo. We've never done that before, so I am gonna try now and I'll let you know how it goes. Corners, guys. First time I'm trying this too.
Verdict.
That is a chocolate overdose. It's good though, but I think I could only do 1 Tim Tam with a hot Milo, whereas I could probably do 3 Tim Tams with 1 cup of tea. But it is good though. Thank you for the suggestion. Let us know what you guys prefer. Do you do it with tea, Milo, a warm cup of milk, or coffee? Comment below. Fairy bread, guys. If you grew up in Australia, you would have undoubtedly had fairy bread at some kid's party, or every kid's party. This is like a rite of passage. It's the easiest thing you can make, and it is loved amongst children and adults, I would say. So how you make it? It's super simple. Just get some white toast and toast it, and then you spread some butter on top and you load it with hundreds and thousands, and voila, you get this colorful sugary toast. So let's dig in and have a bite of fairy bread. Oh god, that's a lot of hundreds and thousands on top. It's basically just like sugar loaded on top of buttered toast. I can't really say it's my thing. It's a little bit too sweet for me, and it's getting caught up all in my teeth. Andy loves it. He's gonna come over for a taste test because he likes it better than I do.
Straight up guys, I love this. I grew up with this. Every kid's parties I've been to, had it all the time, always looked forward to it. I'm just gonna do it because I wanna do it. So much sweet goodness, the crunchiness brings back so many fond memories.
Here it is, guys. This is our first slice of the choc ripple cake. Now, we kind of made a different variation today. So thanks to Nicole Renee's suggestion on TikTok, she suggested that we should add some either fresh or frozen raspberries into the cream to make it extra good. So I thought that was a great idea. So we put some in there, and someone on TikTok, I'm sorry, I couldn't find the comment again, but also suggested dunking the biscuits into orange juice. And we did half of this choc ripple cake in orange juice, so we're gonna try the difference, whether it's better or not. Some other people also like to dip it in rum or Baileys for that extra kick, and people also dip it into coffee, the biscuits, before setting it in the fridge to give it a bit of a mocha taste. So the different variations you can always try. There's 100 different ways of doing it. But the most traditional way of doing it is, instead of flake, but we're not really fans of peppermint, is to add peppermint crisps on top. As suggested by Tarls AJW on TikTok, thanks for that tip as well. we're not gonna try because we're not really big fans of peppermint. So without further ado, Andy, get over here and let's do a taste test.
All right, I'm here for the food.
He only ever comes for the food, really.
The best part.
How is it?
I really like the berry.
Yeah?
The berry added into the cream is actually really nice.
Yeah.
Great suggestion.
Awesome suggestion. Thank you for that. Oh, yum.
Yep.
So creamy, so good. Oh,
It's amazing.
I could eat the whole thing right now.
What about me?
I'm done with you. You're done with me. So now we're gonna try the other half of the ripple cake in which we soaked the biscuits in orange juice, and I'm excited to see what that tastes like.
No, it's not bad.
Can you taste the orange juice?
Yeah, you can.
Can? Like strong?
It's not that strong. It's a little hint of orange. It's actually quite interesting.
It gives it like a bit of a tang or something. I'd be interested to try the soaking it in coffee. Give it that chocolate mocha taste. Maybe
Or
next time.
the rum one, Bailey's. I reckon that would be pretty good.
Yeah. Anyways, if you guys give any of those a try, let us know how it goes. Comment below.
Or even comment, how do you guys do it at home?
Or if you've ever even heard of this, if you've never heard of it.
Vegemite. So, some people like this, some people don't in Australia, but we're gonna show you anyway because it is some people's favorites. Vegemite is just as easy to make like fairy bread. Get a piece of white toast, chuck it into the toaster. Once it comes out nice and hot from the toaster, spread the butter straight away. And then this next part is a little bit tricky. You add Vegemite on top, but the question is, how much do you actually add? So, we've actually put it to the test. We've put a very thin layer on this side, kind of medium, I guess you would say, on the middle, and we've completely lathered it on. I'm honestly not looking forward to this side, but let's see how these work. Let's start light first. Honestly not a huge fan of Vegemite and its taste. It's very salty. The flavor is just unique. You have to try it at least once in your life. Okay, I'm liking light so far. Let's just try the medium. Bit too strong for my liking. Yeah, bit too strong. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to this last bit. Oh my god, it's so salty. Do not lather it. Oh, I can't do this. Guys, seriously, do not lather that last bit. It's terrible.
Oh, look at that. That looks like straight up petrol.
So for me, guys, do not lather it. It's a complete disaster if you do that. It's not like Nutella or peanut butter where it gets better and better the more you add on. Keep it super thin if you want to try it and to get a gist of what's actually it's all about. So let's see what Tina thinks.
I'm not looking forward to any part of this. I'm like that typical foreigner. When I first came over to Australia, I thought Vegemite was like a jam or like a Nutella, and I lathered my toast the first time I ever tried it and pretty much gagged, threw it back up and threw the jar away. So let's try it again after many years. Man, even on the light side, like just that tiny little dab, you can really, really taste the salt. So, medium. Oh, man. Look at that, medium. I can't even talk. Medium's not even that much, but the amount of salt, it's like saltier than salt. Does that make sense? It's saltier than salt. Oh my god, look at this.
Do it, do it, do it. No. I don't wipe my tongue down. Oh my god. Do not lather at all. Don't even go medium. Even medium's too much. Like, you just need the tiniest pinch of Vegemite on toast and you're fine. You're fine. Guys, let's get straight into the next thing. I need to get the taste of Vegemite right out of my mouth. My mouth is traumatized right now. So I'm gonna take you guys to a better part of Australia. Lamingtons. So
Lamingtons are basically a sponge cake covered in chocolate with shredded coconut up over the top. So you can get plain ones or you can get ones with jam inside, which is what we got today. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a twist to Lamingtons, which is the latest trend right now on TikTok and even on YouTube as well, pancake cereals. We made pancake cereal in our last video and we added an Aussie twist to it and we called it Lamington pancake cereal. Basically pancake cereal with Lamington flavor. If you guys want to check out how to make pancake cereal with Lamington flavor, check out this video right up here. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about, baby. Way better than Vegemite. Well, that's it, guys. Those were our 5 favorite Aussie snacks. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell when you subscribe to stay up to date with all of our videos. Until then, we'll catch you guys in the next video or on TikTok. Make sure you follow us on TikTok. See ya!